Hey, it's Alex at Ingage. Today I'm going to show you our new appointment confirmation QuickStart template. A QuickStart template is a super fast way to create content inside Ingage. Just answer a few questions and we'll automatically create a customized presentation for you. Let's take a look. The first thing you can customize is a little bit of information about your sales rep. So you can add their name, a photo, and even a quick bio. If you're not ready to fill anything out here, you can always get to it later. Now we'll add your company logo to the presentation. So add it once and we'll put it everywhere in the presentation you need it. You can optionally add some project photos. They'll be added in as a gallery that your customers can swipe through so they can see your best work before you meet with them. And then you can put a closing message. We'll take all of this content, automatically customize the presentation, apply a theme, and add it wherever you want inside your account. In just a matter of moments, you've customized the presentation, made it your own, and you're all set. Let's take a look at it. So we'll head over to the library. Here we've added it to our drafts team. And now you can make any additional customizations that you want to. So before we didn't put a bio in for our rep James here. So we'll double click to edit the button there. And you'll see it's got some default text from the sample. So super easy, just go in there, make some final tweaks, and get it ready to share with your customers. So I'll go ahead and turn on the public web link. Let's copy the link and take a look at it on a phone. This is the perfect way to introduce yourself to customers via text message or an email before going into the home, and allows you to share information on what to expect from the appointment, along with project photos to help get the customers inspired. We can't wait to see how you use it. Thanks for watching.